Hi everyone! Tornadoes and volcanoes. Nature's anger doesn't just stop there. Check out most horrific natural disasters ever caught on camera to witness the unstoppable power of Mother Nature. The surveillance video captured a tornado moving through Andover, Kansas. The fire department reported that some houses were completely blown away.
Yeah, I can't back up, ran into the guy on my ass. Keep that in mind. I can't back up. What the fuck?
A driver witnessed the Getty fire firsthand while commuting to work in Los Angeles, California. A sudden tornado paid a visit to Nash County, North Carolina. It took away quite a bit of people's property without permission.
Да, можно, конечно. Подойди, посмотри.
Storm Purik triggered alerts in at least 3 coastal cities near St. Malo due to powerful waves and flooding. Since mid-February, near all provinces of Mongolia have been grappling with severe weather conditions. Temperatures plummeted to negative 50.8 degrees Fahrenheit, severely impacting both humans and livestock. After Taiwan, the United States was the next country to receive a warning from Mother Nature. Even in the heart of the mainland, water can gain immense power, fueled by cumulus clouds. Mother Nature controls every corner of this planet. Untreated chemicals dumped directly into the Indus River enraged Mother Nature. Innocent fish were the first victims. If there was no timely solution, people could be the next targets. Oh my God! This is simply incredible! Perfectly executed storm chase. This is one of the best videos I have ever seen. New York faced an emergency as the flood alert levels rose significantly. Subway trains were submerged in water. Even the entrances were sealed off. The Guatemala volcano sent massive ash clouds into the sky. Luckily, residents quickly moved to safe areas. Because of the typhoon in Mulan, a woman had to fight against the strong winds to close the car door. – 2019 was an unforgettable year for Brazilians when it came to dam disasters. At the time of the dam collapse, footage released showed 12 million cubic meters of waste engulfing the surrounding area. This was something homes in Himachal Pradesh, India, never wished for. The entire flight schedule had to be delayed due to bad weather at Nansha Airport, China. Wind speeds exceeding 30 meters per second tore apart a section of the departure hall roof. Passengers were deeply shocked by the incident. On March 21st, several meter-high waves crashed into the port of Maratea, Italy. They could even breach the port's safety walls. Some buildings and streets flooded, and containers were overturned. The line between tranquility and storm have never been so fleeting. Roads and houses endure the tremors of a 7.6 magnitude Richter earthquake. The man quickly headed to the widest open space. That was truly a life-saving skill when facing natural disasters. After a strong earthquake, the road seemed to have taken on a new appearance. In this situation, the best thing is that there were no casualties.
पूरा पत्थर आएगा नीचे ये पूरे का पूरा पत्थर है
No one can stop the power of Mother Nature when she truly gets angry. If landslides don't occur in residential areas, they don't seem so alarming.
Cavalli, spingere, guarda che là c'è l'acqua sotto. Fiume.
But if Get out of here, now! It seems Mother Nature wasn't into this song. This is the path of two rock masses, estimated at around 4,000 cubic meters. Trees or farms in their path were flattened. Scientists have simulated as follows. Based on their stopping point, they calculated to determine the safe locations for building houses for the surrounding residents. The cataclysm raging in Spain was like an apocalyptic movie. Don't worry, the rescue team helped the people out of those cars before we sent this video to you. This was a nightmare of sailors. No matter how skilled they were, they had to bow down to the waves. Always pay attention to the small road signs. As they can help you avoid potentially bad situations. After heavy rain in southern China, a steel bridge spanning approximately 150 meters, built in 2017, was swept away by floodwaters. Two supercells converged, producing 100-mile-per-hour winds and hail. Torrential floods cascaded down the stairs of Subanoff train station, flooding corridors and damaging many public infrastructure facilities. Recently, the capital of Turkey faced a severe flood. The second floor of a solid apartment building turned into a massive drainage pipe, leaving everyone in awe. Thousands of gallons of water flowed out of the White Scar Cave after a heavy rain, looking like a river. In Athens, every street was submerged in water. Stranded drivers have no choice but to sit in their cars and wait for rescue to arrive. After days of fighting against Hurricane Ida, the robust walls of the house could no longer shield its owner. Floods pose obstacles for everyone, including rescue teams. Flash floods hit the Thurag area in Mandi district, with massive rainfall pouring down the hills. This broke the record for the highest rainfall since 1993 in this region. Warned of the high landslide risk, residents of Luoyang County were evacuated urgently. And just a few days later, the mountainside indeed suffered a severe landslide, as predicted. This tornado was too small to turn students' dreams of a school closure into reality. But at this level, the school or anything else could be wiped out. An underground water pipe exploded, tearing the road apart like paper. Mud and sewage flowed like a flood, invading surrounding areas. Even small signs can warn of an impending earthquake. And just minutes later, The heavy rain in Arizona caused powerful flash floods, sweeping away all the dry branches.
Well, it slowed down a lot compared to the last time we saw it.
It could crush small pine trees blocking the way.
Holy moly.
Dude.
People were shocked when the storm hit unexpectedly. Getting indoors is what needs to be done right now. A bridge connecting two villages had been washed away. This posed a significant challenge for the villagers in terms of transportation.
Oh, look at. Oh, guys, we're gonna get some backup, Brad.
OMG! The powerful wave was created when the 200-foot cliff collapsed.
Backup, Brad.
Luckily, the boat of the two tourists didn't capsize. The massive 9.0 Richter earthquake, followed by a tsunami in Japan 12 years ago, is an unforgettable event in human history. It serves as a wake-up call for all of us to learn how to respect Mother Nature. At the entrance to the Arabasada beach, the strong water force swept away many cars and other belongings.
Torch.
This incredibly large chunk of the Great Glacier's ice sheet breaks off and flips over in a spectacular way in southern Patagonia, Chile. This video is a great example of the common phrase, only the tip of the iceberg. What would you do when doomsday is knocking at your door? Serious flooding occurred across Vermont. About 24 state roads were closed by 10 a.m. If floodwaters are approaching, please evacuate immediately. Rock slides onto the Tawagat-Lapuluk Highway below, completely blocking the road. Authorities are working to clear the debris and restore traffic. If tornadoes are terrifying, what do you think about fire tornadoes? Fire tornadoes have the ability to rapidly spread wildfires, making forest fire control more challenging than ever. Despite efforts to withstand the flash flood, the house still met a tragic end. The solid fortress that humans built also had to surrender to the wrath of nature. This moment wraps up our collection for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed our content. And if there's something specific you want us to cover in future videos, drop a comment below. We're all ears.